Al-Hamdu, lillahi is not just a word. The beginning of the prayer is being done by identifying the person to whom we want to pray. It is like teaching that when you pray, pray politely. It is not a good thing that as soon as you opened it, it immediately presented its meaning. The requirement of politeness is that the one you are supplicating to should first look at his qualities, his favors, and his status. The second is that he should be our benefactor, and we should express his virtues with a spirit of acknowledgment and blessing. It is also a requirement of our gratitude and benevolence that we should be eloquent in praising him. And it is not only that the praise is for Allah, but it is correct that the praise is for Allah alone by saying this. The veil has been lifted from the fact that creationism is rooted from the very first bite. Everything in the world, and in whatever form, is not personal but is a gift from Allah. So if anyone wants us to be his devotees and patrons, benevolent, grateful, needy, and pious,